Hello friends, today I am going to talk about a very special person in my life, my favorite teacher. Let's start this beautiful essay together. Number 1, a teacher is a very important person in everyone's life. Number 2, my favorite teacher's name is insert name e.g. Miss Aisha Sir Ali. Number 3, she teaches us English in our school. Number 4, she is very kind, honest, and hardworking. Number 5, she explains every lesson very clearly. Number 6, all the students like her very much. Number 7, she always helps weak students in studies. Number 8, she encourages us to speak truth and be disciplined. Number 9, I respect and love my teacher very much. Number 10, I want to become a good person like my favorite teacher. So, friends, teachers are the light of knowledge. We should always respect them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more essay. See you in the next video. Bye.